What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, Dogecoin. So we're going to start off here on the 4-day candlesticks. The first thing that I want to point out is this falling wedge pattern. As you can see, price did form a falling wedge as it came down over the summer from 22 cents all the way back down to about 8 cents. Now we did break bullish out of this falling wedge pattern and we're very oversold on the MACD and starting to cross. So this is a really good entry down here on Dogecoin when it's worth only about 10 cents. We're on major horizontal support. We've started to break out of that wedge, like I said, and I think we're going to see a lot more upside heading up towards our major local resistance at about 22 cents. So watch for something like this on Dogecoin as price really starts to reverse off of these lows and really starts to take off here in the shorter time frame as well as in the bigger time frame. So I really like this setup here on the 4-day candlesticks as we're testing this major support level and starting to come up off of those support levels and starting to see a lot more potential for reversal down here as we break out of this falling wedge pattern. So you guys, a lot of times people don't realize, but wherever you break out of a falling wedge, you're going to see a lot of momentum coming into the market really quickly. In fact, this is one of the most bullish patterns in crypto. And also another common mistake that people make is they sell support and they buy resistance. We're on major support right now with Dogecoin, and I do suspect that we do have a strong bullish break as a result of that support level that should take us up above 22 cents on Dogecoin, and we're really going to see a lot of upside coming in the near future. So again, a lot of people sell onto support where they should be buying down there, and a lot of times people don't realize that that horizontal support level is a super good entry. They panic sell because they see price go down. It tests a major support level, but they're not even looking at support. They're just playing based on their emotions, and so they sell right onto major support, which is really kind of silly if you think about it. So what you want to do is you want to sell resistance and buy support. If you wanted to be smart, you should have been bearish on Dogecoin up here when it was testing major resistance back in March, not down here when it's on major support, which is what a lot of people are doing. So yeah, that's my view on the 4-day candlesticks. Also, if we go out to the higher time frames, like the 10-day candlesticks, you can also see that Dogecoin did complete a full market cycle. So if you don't understand market cycles, it's super powerful to understand market cycles. Over here on the right, we have the NASDAQ, and over here on the left, we have Dogecoin. And you can see that when price rallies up really quickly during the bull market, people get super excited, and then price comes all the way back down to major support, and people get fearful and they sell, which is exactly what happened over here on the NASDAQ. Price went really high, then came back down to support. Most people got fearful and they sold there on major support right before price started a new bull market. So this is exactly what's happening over here on Dogecoin. It's the same human psychology. That's why we look at the Wall Street cheat sheet so much, that market cycle example, just because of how perfectly it plays out over and over again. So if we stop looking at the NASDAQ and take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin also did the exact same thing that we're seeing here on Dogecoin. The only difference is Bitcoin did the same market cycle back in 2015. So back when basically nobody knew about Bitcoin, it did the exact same market cycle as Dogecoin today. So we can see that this fractal of human psychology, this fractal of human emotion, truly is taking place on Dogecoin that already happened on Bitcoin historically. So investing in Dogecoin here at 10 cents is a lot like buying Bitcoin when it was worth about $300 in terms of opportunity in the market. So watch for a big reversal here, not only as a result of that falling wedge on the 4-day time frame that we were looking at the start of the video, but also as a result of this market cycle on the bigger time frame that can take us well above the old all-time high, just like what happened to Ethereum back in 2018 when Ethereum did the exact same thing. So one more example of these market cycles would be Ethereum. If you take a look at Ethereum back in 2018, when it had its bear market and crashed really hard, a lot of people got fearful, a lot of people got scared, they sold into the big picture dip, and really the market was getting ready for a big picture reversal to really take us up to new all-time highs, which is exactly what happened with Ethereum. So when people tell me, oh, you're crazy for buying Dogecoin down here at 10 cents, I tell them they're crazy for not buying Dogecoin down here at 10 cents. Because really the opportunity is insanely high to make a bunch of profit on Dogecoin. So I really, really like this setup in the bigger time frame. I really like the potential for a lot of upside coming in this market. And I really, really like these oversold conditions, not only on the 4-day, but also on pretty much every single big picture time frame you're going to look at. You're going to find Dogecoin is oversold. The 5-day is oversold, the 4-day is oversold, the 1-day is oversold. Like everything is oversold. We have bullish divergence here on the daily with Dogecoin. You can see price made a lower low right here, where the market made a higher low, or the MACD made a higher low, and that forms bullish divergence, which is a super, super strong buy signal. Just like we had bearish divergence up here on the MACD, which was our sell signal before the summer correction happened. It's the exact same thing. It's the only difference. It's the other way around. We have bullish divergence down here, just like we had bearish divergence up there. So we have a lot of things telling us that Dogecoin is super, super bullish, and yet all of the people that don't know what they're doing, all the people that follow the crowd, all the people that don't understand the cycles, they're selling down here. And if you want to make money in these markets, you got to put your head on straight and buy the dip, right? Bitcoin pulled back over the summer. People are selling Bitcoin. If you want to make money in these markets, buy the dip. Same is true for Dogecoin. Same is true for a lot of different coins right now. People want to sell when it's undervalued and buy when it's overvalued, when the most simple and effective trading strategy on the entire planet is to buy people's fear and sell people's greed. And in the big picture, we are super oversold on Dogecoin right now as I'm talking to you in this video. So don't be surprised when price starts to come back up in the other direction, not only a little bit, but a lot, and very quickly with a lot of momentum, and really blow people away. That's what's coming for the crypto markets. I don't care what anybody says. That's what's coming for crypto. We're headed into mass adoption. People are going to be blown away at just how big this pump is going to be. It's going to knock people's socks off. They won't even know what to do. And the people that miss out, they're going to be wishing that they had bought. And a lot of those guys will buy too late when everybody else is buying and it's ready for another big correction. Don't be that guy. Don't be dumb. Wake up and do what's going to be profitable for your portfolio and for your life. If you want to print money in the crypto markets, buy the dip. Buy the dip on high volume coins. In the big picture, you can get richer than your wildest dreams doing that. Buy the dip. This is what pros do. And the opportunity right now is super, super high for buying the dip. So that's my view on Dogecoin. Get ready for big things. Somebody asked me the other day if Dogecoin could go to $1. If you guys are selling your Dogecoin at $1 You guys got to wake up. Dogecoin is going to go a lot higher than $1, period. All right? It's worth 10 cents. You think this thing's going to only 10x? Wake up. This thing's going to go so high. Don't sell at $1. All right? Sell when that thing is stupid overvalued, which is what's coming for the whole market. I mean, Bitcoin also is going to go nuts. You know, Bitcoin is going to go to 250,000 per coin. Watch it happen. It's worth 60,000 right now. And it could go higher than that, but I for sure think Bitcoin is going to at least go to 250,000 per coin. You know how many people panic sold right here and right here and right here? I've been bullish all through this whole area. Why? Because I know what's coming. Now I was bearish up here before we started to pull back, but all through this entire area I'm bullish. Why? Because I know what's going to happen in the markets. Things are going to get crazy. We're going to go so high, people are going to be blown away. We have a left shoulder here, a head right here, and a right shoulder. That's a bullish continuation pattern. Head and shoulders can be reversal and continuation. Both are valid. This is a bullish continuation pattern. Not to mention the bull flag on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a massive bull flag and a massive cup and handle, and people that are investing in this market are going to be stupid wealthy, stupid rich for doing it. Period. And I know money isn't everything in life, but man, it makes your life better. If you're a good person and you spend your money wisely and you earn it honestly, your life is going to be better if you're richer. Being poor is only a fantasy in movies and books. In real life, having money is nice. You know, if you're married and you can provide for your kids and you can provide for, you know, your adventures, you want to go travel with your family, go on an adventure with your wife somewhere, your life is going to be better than if you can't afford it. Your life is going to suck if you don't have money, okay? Your life is better with money. So understand that the opportunity to get rich in the crypto markets are super high. It's super high right now. You guys can get super rich in crypto if you're willing to buy the dip, if you're willing to continue to accumulate. Right now, well, it's undervalued. A lot of people don't see 60,000 per coin undervalued, but they don't know how high it's going to go. And same is true with Dogecoin. They don't see 10 cents per Dogecoin undervalued, but they don't know how high it's going to go. But I'm telling you right now, if you guys want to change your life, the opportunity in crypto is here to change your life and to get rich. But you got to have faith. You got to buy the dip. You got to be greedy when other people are fearful. And you got to see the value in crypto. Crypto is valuable. Crypto is something that's going to change the world. It's already started to. Just like the internet. It's going to change the world. So you got to trust that and have faith that there's value in crypto over the big picture. And start buying every single dip you possibly can. And you will be rich. You will be rich for it. Mark my words. So that's my update on Dogecoin, my view on Bitcoin. You guys, you're going to get rich. Keep buying crypto. Keep accumulating these markets. You're going to get rich for it. All right? That's my update. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.